Charlie, do you ever wonder why dogs don't live as long as humans?
Dogs don't need long lives because we love right from the start.
What do you mean?
Think about it. Humans spend their whole lives learning how to love. We're born knowing it. We forgive fast, we love hard, we live in the moment, no grudges, no games, just love.
So you're saying dogs, we just finish our terms faster.
Come here to love them, right, to teach them how to be better. And once we've done that, our soul's work is complete.
Maybe we're not meant to stay long, just long enough to change them.
Because even if our life isn't long, our love is.
Για τη νέα χρονιά, ας υιοθετήσουμε λίγη από την ανιδιοτελή αγάπη που δίνουν απλόχερα οι τετράποδοι φίλοι μας, γιατί η μεγαλύτερη ευλογία είναι η αγάπη που μοιράζεται. Η οικογένεια της Pillowglam σας εύχεται υγεία και αγάπη. Όλα τα άλλα θα τα βρούμε στην πορεία. Καλή χρονιά!